Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are okay. So we're gonna have something new here. So as you know that this group's name is TELC and we're gonna learn here something new about English language. So I think what should we learn today? Tell me. Don't have an idea? Okay, now I tell you what to learn. Hmm. You know, when we are speaking English language, we hear English sounds something different to other languages. Like the R sound is totally different from other languages. So, so as we know that in America people use R sound very effectively, and it is the most effective sound, effective and influential both. So we have to learn to pronounce this R sound. That's what you have to do is focus on my jaw, lips, and tongue position. You will learn how to do it. It's easy, not that difficult. But practice makes a man perfect. Yeah, or just you have to bring your lips forward like this and make it like O, like R, R. It's like R, R. Like your tongue should be twisted. You should twist your tongue like this, and it should touch the roof, and it should keep touching for a while, like R, R. When I use this sound in words, it gives sound from from my nose, like support. When I say I wanna support you, for when I say for FOR or FOUR, I say for. I don't say for or anything like other languages. In other languages, maybe in your mother language it is pronounced differently, but in English language, especially in America, it is pronounced like rock. Like we say remember, register, recognize, reconciliation, record, record. So it's very nice sound, but what we have to do is to practice harder and harder. Then, with the passage of time, you will learn to to pronounce this sound. Understand? It's not that difficult. What we need to do is practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Allah Hafiz.